In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select accounts and sync, and then select add account. Pick Google because it's all about Google account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to log in. And now just provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address. And click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Just click on next, then wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Pay Terms of Service, also privacy policy. And if you do agree, just click on I agree. Tap on accept then. And that's it. From now on, your Google account is connected with this device. Let's go back. As you can see, here it is. And whenever you'd like to remove Google account from this device, just pick Google right here. Here you've got the account. Tap on more. And actually it's not here, so let's go back again. And select accounts and sync. Pick your Google account and smoothly remove it by tapping on more and selecting remove account. So tap on confirm. And as you can see, it is no longer connected with your Redmi Note. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.